guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to yap just a little bit about this idea of it being too late. And the reason I want to talk about this is because I get so many comments and questions every single day from people who are wanting to make more money, they're wanting to start a passive business, they're wanting to diversify their streams of income, and then they come across Amazon FBA, but then they start to have all of these fears and all of these doubts and people saying, oh, it's too late, you're not going to make money, and all of these different ideas that people have who most of the time have never even done this business. But I do want to just kind of talk through that idea of opportunity and kind of let you guys know where my mind is and if I think that selling on Amazon is still a good opportunity in today's day and age with everything going on in the world. Before we get into it, make sure you like the video and you are subscribed to the channel if you have not already. And I do want to just give you a heads up that if you are wanting to know more about what I do and how I do it, I've sold on Amazon for the last 7 years and I've had a lot of success doing this. So if you'd like to learn more, go ahead and click on the free training in my description down below and you'll be able to know exactly how I was able to get here and accomplish so much in such a short amount of time with Amazon FBA. And without further ado, let's jump right in. Let me start this video off by saying that I am not here to attack anyone or make you feel bad about any thoughts that you have had. I am just letting you know the exact reasons why I find it absolutely silly to think that it's too late to sell on Amazon. So with that being said, it is never too late. Amazon is much newer than people realize. I think for a lot of people, they think, oh, Amazon, it's just the way that we buy things. We shop online, e-commerce. It comes very, very naturally to people's minds now because it's a way of life now. Think back to 10 years ago, 15, 20 years ago, Amazon was not a thing. You were not going to be able to sit in the comfort of your house and order everything that you need for back to school for your kids from your couch. This is a relatively new innovation, this idea that you're able to order things and have them come straight to you in 2 days. Amazon is relatively new if you think about it that way. There's so many industries where things have been done in one specific way for a long time until someone comes in and innovates and does it differently. And now suddenly there is new wind and suddenly everything has changed. Think about how phones used to be. We used to have phones that had a cord. The rotary phones, excuse me if I'm not saying that correctly, but you guys know the ones where you had to spin it around to dial the numbers. That was the norm for a long time until somebody came in and said, what if we do phones that don't require a cord? And now you have the cordless home phones. I remember our home phone, it was like this big with an antenna and somebody could call you and you could actually walk around your kitchen while you're on the phone. That was an innovation. And then we talk about beepers, and then I remember sidekicks were super popular when I was a kid, and Blackberries and this and that, and then iPhone came along and changed the game. It's never too late for you to get involved with something if you have the creativity to make something better, to create an improvement, to solve a problem. That's all it takes. So with that being said, I will tell you that yes, things have changed over the years as an Amazon seller. When I first started out, Amazon was not as competitive as it is now. When I say competitive, I mean that there were less sellers. I mean, that is not groundbreaking. Time has passed, so there are more people who sell on Amazon. That is inevitable, and there's nothing groundbreaking about that, to be honest. But not only are there more people selling on Amazon, there are also more people shopping on Amazon. So you can't take a piece of something and look at that in isolation. You have to look at the context of it. Amazon is more popular in general. So does it make sense that there are more people who are selling there? Absolutely. Does it also make sense that Amazon is making more and more money every year because there are more and more customers every year? Absolutely. So there has to be someone there to meet the demand of the shoppers. And that's where the Amazon sellers come in. So it's just nonsensical to say that it's too late to sell on Amazon when there are new products that are coming out every single day and more opportunity to make money doing this. Because the truth of the matter is the only time it will be too late to sell on Amazon is when people stop buying things on Amazon. I don't know about you guys, but I don't see that happening anytime in the near future. I'll even tell you this. I have a 5-year-old son and I noticed some cracks in the ceiling of our house. From what I have discovered, I guess it's just settling and the house is just like shifting into place. And so I asked my son, I was like, do you see those cracks? They look like thunderbolts in the ceiling. And he was like, they do, but mama, is our house gonna fall apart? And I'm like, no, it's totally fine. We will be perfectly okay. He's like, okay, mama, because if our house falls down, we can just get another one on Amazon. I'm so serious. My 5-year-old said we can just go and buy a house on Amazon. It is a part of life for him. He is used to it. And the only reason I say that is whenever people are nervous about the trajectory or maybe the popularity of Amazon as time goes on, I want you to think about the way that things were purchased when you were a kid, no matter what age you are. When you were a kid, were your parents buying things on Amazon or were they dragging you to the store store to buy the things that they needed or that your family needed. Times are changing. The convenience matters. Everybody wants to be able to get their things quickly. A lot of people don't like to spend their time going into the grocery store. That's why Instacart is popular. That's why DoorDash is popular. People want to be able to stay in their houses. Whether that's for the good or for the bad, that is a benefit to you as an Amazon shopper because you are providing a solution to a problem. The problem is people don't want to have to go and spend their time and energy doing these things. The solution is you are bringing the things to them. So keep that in mind, and also what is going to be normal for the future adults that are going to be purchasing things from Amazon and online. So now that I've explained why it's just not possible for it to be too late to sell on Amazon, I will tell you some of the things that have shifted and what I would consider if I was going to start selling on Amazon as a complete beginner. I would keep in mind that it is very, very important that if you are trying to sell on Amazon, that you are going the extra mile to make sure that your branding is on point. And when I say branding, I mean that you don't want to be selling junk to people on Amazon. I will say that yes, the bar is higher. Maybe in the past, people wouldn't have cared so much the way that the product looks or the way that it is delivered. In today's day and age, people do have higher standards for the products that they receive. They see Amazon as a legitimate marketplace. They see Amazon as being comparable to Walmart or Target or any other place that they would go to purchase these items. So can you just sell junk from China on Amazon and be successful? No, you can't. You have to make sure that it's being packaged appropriately. You have to make sure that you've got your logo on there. You've got to make sure that the appropriate barcodes and everything is on there so that it looks like a legitimate product. And honestly, that is a good thing for you as an Amazon seller because now your products are going to look higher quality. They're going to look more legitimate. And you know what? A product that looks legitimate is going to warrant a more competitive selling price. When your product looks nicely put together, that customer is going to receive it and be like, you know what? This was a good $20, $30 that I spent. You never want a customer to receive an item and say, wow, this is super cheap. I don't think it was worth the money. That's how you start getting bad reviews and excessive returns. So making sure that you are taking care with the presentation of your item is going to be more important now than it would have been, let's call it 7 years ago when I first started out. Along with that, you're going to want to make sure that you are differentiating your product appropriately. So that means you're not just selling the same exact thing that other people are selling and making money with. You are selling a better version. When I say a better version, I mean you are bundling the item, improving the materials. You are making sure that that item that you are selling stands out from your competition. And if you do that, you are going to have a much better chance of making money doing this than the next person who's just picking a random product, throwing it up on Amazon, no logo, no branding, lazy packaging, and no differentiator. And they're like, I wonder why I'm not making money on Amazon. Is it because selling on Amazon doesn't work? Or is it because they didn't do anything that would make their offer competitive? You want to make sure that you are doing your part so that your product can be successful. You cannot be lazy and sell a product on Amazon and expect to have great results. It's just not the way that it works anymore. And last but not least, I want to say that when I first started selling on Amazon in 2019, I had people say that it was too late to sell on Amazon in 2019. So this is nothing new. There's always going to be a misconception or a narrative that something is going to be too hard or it's too late, it's too competitive, it's too saturated. People say that every day across a number of different industries. How many times have we heard that there are too many influencers and then every day there is a new popular influencer who is taking off and making millions because they are unique or because they have a certain life experience or they have a certain personality or whatever the case is. It's never too saturated. And it might be too saturated to do it the way that everybody else does it, but only you can do things differently. So do not listen to the chatter and people's doubts about whether or not you'll be successful with this business, because the truth of the matter is whether or not you're successful comes down to you. It is not because the business is dead. It's not because there's no opportunity. It's not because it's too saturated. It's because people don't know how to pick products. People don't know how Amazon works. They don't know how to do it correctly. So do not let that cloud your judgment or put you in a mindset that you think you cannot do this and you cannot be successful. You absolutely can, and I highly encourage you to block out the noise, put your head down, grind it out for the next 3 months, and launch your product. And results speak louder than anything else. It is not up to you to convince other people that this is a great opportunity. That's a waste of energy and a waste of your breath. They will believe it once the proof is in the pudding. Once they see the results, they have no choice but to acknowledge it. So focus on doing you. Whatever other people have to say about it is their opinion. Keep in mind that idea that misery loves company, okay? You want to do something different than what other people are doing. If they don't understand it, that's not your problem. So I hope this video cleared things up for you. If you are someone wanting to do this and you're feeling anxious, that's totally normal, but I want to give you the confidence to know that there are people who are launching products on Amazon every single day. And I know this because I teach a program for complete beginners where I am actively watching my students launch new products who are thriving and doing incredibly well selling on Amazon, and you can too. If you are interested, go ahead and check out the free training in my description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.